Alright, it's a big day for the Civic. I'm a little bit sick right now, so I won't sound the best. But this thing's about to get a mod. It is dark out, so we'll see how filming this goes. Right here. Let's see what we got here. Already opened this up. Time to put some clears on the Civic. Let's get it. Let's get off these little stinkers. And Steven's pulling up, so. He's pulling up, he's gonna install something real quick, so. Let's get these tails on. Got the first one installed, a little chocked. Can't use this top piece. It just isn't fitting, so. But it's pretty simple. It's literally just 4 bolts, pull it out, and then there's a little like harness piece that was a pain to get off. It attaches the plastic back here, but it's easy when the interior's gutted. So this connector right here sucks. You gotta like manhandle it off. It's not an enjoyable process at all. And this dude's over here struggling.
I'm playing mechanic.
Having fun?
Yeah, dude.
You just pulling the throttle body spacer off now?
Yep. So I have more room for my brand new intake.
Okay.
That I found in a junkyard.
It is gonna snow, so I kinda need to get clips before it
Oh,
snows.
do you?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah. So you might be wondering why it's bright out. Well, it's the next day. We put these on, and I did get the other side on now. But yeah, there's some fitment issues and stuff, and it is raining, so I want to take it out. There's a fat gap here I need to figure out and some stuff, but I added like washers into it to make it fit. It was seeped it a lot farther. This one actually fits just fine, but I don't know. The other side, there's something going on I need to figure out at some point, but for now I'm just gonna run it. It's not gonna rain while I get some photos and stuff, but I don't want to take it out and, well, just ruin these immediately and get a bunch of water in the trunk. So yeah, we didn't do that. Steven's car had some issues, so we were more worried about that and getting that thing fixed and then getting some food. So I take this out now. I'm gonna go get some, I think I'm gonna do film photos and then film a little bit with the VHS. This thing's kind of dirty, but I can't wash it, these taillights, so gonna get this thing warmed up. If you want to know, it's like to drive a car enough now. This is what it's like. Always being at the gas station. But yeah, how cheap these prices are. This thing's ridiculous. It's like no money to fill this thing up, so it's perfect. But yeah, toss this back on. And then let's head to the photo shoot location. Find a location real quick on maps, and then we'll slide there. Alright, I already shot all my roll of film. I'll pop up all those photos now. I already shot the whole roll of film. And then some VHS videos, so I'll show you the VHS TikTok I make out of this. But I pulled a nice little shot of downtown. Took a photo down there on this little road. You can see a car down there. Of shot of downtown. I'm hoping these film photos turn out good. If not, y'all won't see any of those, but got the VHS video at least. So
I can't see my card, get we flock.
Is that a John? These are look so good. Out with the old and in with the new. These look so fucking good. The pigment might be a little chopped. We'll find out if we need to adjust coilovers or not. Dude, these look so good. I just pulled up to this random park over here. I didn't film much in the shop. We were just talking, so. But shout out to Sam. He clutched up. He got me these wheels put on, and dude, it looks so good. Dude, these are perfect. It looks so much better. It needed a little bit of, they're hyper chrome is what the color is, but like a polished look is what I kind of see it as. But dude, these just look so good. And now with the clears, like, I need to take photos of this thing. I think I'll do it tomorrow. I'll go out and take photos of it. So I think I'll do a POV of that. Photo shoot for the clears, and then now I need to do another photo shoot for these. I'm so happy with how this looks now. The other ones were just so dull being gray. Like, now it's time for some clear headlights, and then new hood. I have a hood, need to get it painted. I'm gonna wait though. I need to do some maintenance, and then I'm gonna save up after I do maintenance and do all that to paint match a bunch of things when I paint the hood. Time to go surprise all the boys, because I did not tell any of them that I bought wheels. I told Steven that I'm thinking about buying these wheels, and I told him I'm gonna order them today, and then I told Adam nothing at all. So Adam has no clue that I bought wheels. Cooking up on this car, gonna keep the build going. So much more to do, but slowly but surely. Got one of the biggest things I've wanted to do for a while done now, finally. So, and I need to find actual spacers for this. It is right up to a suspension component. It's not rubbing because we put some washer spacers on there, universal spacers. That's what I'll put them down as. So yeah, need to actually find some real spacers and make these studs a lot longer. We're working with minimal threads on here, so time to get some extended studs. But yeah, I used the hub centric rings from the other wheels, and then I have all the other wheels packaged up. Just put them back in the boxes that these wheels came in, and they'll be on Marketplace. So the money from that guy math will be used for everything else instead of replenishing my fund. Time to go surprise the boys. Let's get it. We're pulling up on Steven. About to surprise him with the wheels. He's already outside. What do you think?
The colors are a lot better. I like that.
It looks so good.
I thought you ordered them yesterday.
No, I ordered them when I was talking to you about ordering them.
I thought you were coming with the hood or something.
Hey,
why
what?
not Chipotle?
Dude, it looks so good. I told him no one knows I bought them.
And the clears on now.
Dude, it looks so much better. Yeah, at the gym, I accidentally slipped up and I said when they come in, I mean when I buy them, and he didn't notice.
Well, I knew you were gonna order them. And the rust is gone.
Now it just needs painting. Adam just pulled up, so gonna surprise him. The wheels real quick. Look at that, John.
No way!
Alright, he's
That Gary's with clears in the big 2.6, bro. Never thought this shit would happen, bro. Made it out the trenches.
Fuck. Actually, I forgot to turn on the light.
Dude, it's freaking dark in here, but oh my god. They're clear.
Good golly.
Look at this freaking race car. Box inside.
Dude.
Holy.
No way.
Holy.
Dude, the fitment's so good too.
I mess with that.
I added a spacer.
Yeah, I can mess with that.
Yeah, I had a spacer on.
When did you get these?
Today.
Bro, what? Ain't no way. I was like, what the helly? You just got those today?
They fire?
I messed with them. Where did you get these?
Connor certified
They
their
don't spin.
real wheels.
Connor was messing with them?
Yeah.
I dig it. Fitment's pretty good.
It's chalked.
Did you get those off Facebook or what?
No, I ordered them.
You bought
That's
them
why I
brand
posted
new?
today is my order from like a week ago.
Bro, I knew your ass was freaking plotting some bullshit because you're like texting me about freaking some wheel crap.
I was hunting for wheels on Marketplace.
Bro, you would.
BK2 Adam certified though.
Yeah, it's definitely way better. Those
They
other
look
ones are-
so good outside.
What? How much
I
were
kinda
these
like-
things?
It's $1,000 for all four. It's like $900 bucks.
That ain't bad.
No.
That's nothing. Must be nice. Who put them on?
Sam. The front is rubbing pretty decent because it's
Really?
a 7.5.
You should like roll
6.5.
this or what?
I think it might be rubbing on the body because it already was rubbing before inside.
I mean, the Fitbit looks pretty freaking good though.
Head off to a photo shoot location. Gonna shoot some POV photos of these new wheels. Alright, made it to the photo shoot location. Might be a little interesting with the sun right there, but should be good. There's a ton of salt here, so it's a little cooked, but These things are looking real good out in white. But yeah, get some shots of this, switch over from the ND filter to the CPL, and put the POV setup on, and let's get it. Got all the stuff set up, ready to go. Let's get this photo shoot rocking and rolling. Starting to favor the rear end of this car just a little bit more, just because those clears look so good. Let's see. Also trying to make sure today that I get the POV angle a lot better. I've noticed it's just not the best every single time. The highlights are gonna be hard to control here. Kind of harsh lighting, but not too bad. I think facing towards the building looks a little bit better of an angle than facing out this way, and it avoids the sun. But I'll still get front end shots. I'm not gonna spin it around. Let's see. Check to see how that lighting was. Yep, not too harsh of highlights. Can work around that. Let's see, and wide angle shot. Get my classic wheel shot. This I'll never be able to get a good enough angle from the POV for, except for with my glasses. But let's see. All right, let's get a side shot. Side shot facing this way. Metering it to be perfectly at 0. Be my best bet here. Kind of underexpose it. Literally the rolls just flip when I do film versus digital, so film you always want to shoot overexposed. You can bring down highlights easier, and then in digital you'll want to shoot underexposed. You have a lot more data to work with to bring up, and the highlights you have no data to work with at all. On digital they just go away, especially with this camera. I kind of push settings a lot more than I should in low light, but I get away with it because it's Sony. So I have to figure out how to get that car out. Either crop it out in post, or I can delete it. Especially here, I'll have to mask it out. Get an overhead shot. Sweet. And let's get a couple details. These are all photos for me, so it's really just what I know I'll post and use. So wrap on it. That'll be it for this video. Got all the shots I need, so